So welcome guys. Today we are making this simple part in Catia software. So let's start. First of all, go to Catia, click on Start, Mechanical Design, select Part Design. Give any name. So we can see here our three planes X, Y, Z, Y, ZX and one geometrical shape and one part body. So first of all, hide this all plane and select one point in this geometrical shape with value as origin and go to insert, select axis system and give axis system input as this point from this specification tree, and make sure we are defining work object as this part board. So let's start designing this part in XY plane. So select this XY plane by using this sketch position and origin as projected point as this and orientation as parallel to line, and select this Y axis. So just we have to just look at this part. We can see it is symmetrical from one side, so we are designing only one side of this object. So let's start directly designing. We are selected in profile tab as a line, so we are designing like this. Yes, so the value as from this to this it is 200 by 2 because we have to take one set, so we are making half of 200. So and next value from this to this is 50 and this is 90 and this is 40. So from this to this is 40 and give value 40, and from this to this is 50 and full height is 90. So here you can see one slot is there, so let's start designing this slot. We can get this slot in rectangular tab. So value of this is 30 from center to center distance of this circle and 10 as a dimension. So do this value as a 30. This is 10. From bottom it is 40. And it is central aligned. It is 40, so let's make it 20. Let's make this rod also. So this value is 120. And this also 20. is center line, so the value to match half of 120 is 60. So let's put here one axis, make this line to convert this line into axis by just clicking this construction line and select this and go to quick trim in this option tab and select this all unnecessary point. And you fillets here also. So this fillet is 10 and this is 50. This is 10. First of all, we want to view our fillet, then we can do dimensions. So this value is 10. This also 10. This also 10. This is 50. So our once our drawing is ready, so then select this all part and select this mirror command in this operation tab and select this axis, so you can get a clear cut image of this on others. And exit this workbench because our code sketching is done. And make sure that you are in part body workbench. Select this paired value. Your value is given. Pair or pockets are in Z direction with 15 mm. So select value as a 15. Select this sketch in Z direction. So our part is ready.